So let's see how to create an app with Anvil, and let's try Anvil for free. So Anvil is completely free, even if yes, there is a way to purchase it with some amount of money each month. So let's see the free version, and now let's make a blank app, and let's use this one, this template here, and card-based layout with sidebar. Well, let's use custom critic. Oh, you can also create a custom template in HTML. This is interesting, but let's start with a blank one because you want to start from scratch, and I want to teach you what I have learned so far. I'm using it. It's a couple of days that I'm using it. So let's put a label here, and let's see. We want to make a simple text, a test with multiple choices. So we got the label here, and we got the text here. We can write what we want. Like let's say. What language can you use in Anvil? Okay, so that's it. Let's see if we can change something like colors, etc. I don't know. I don't remember well how to do this thing. We can use also this is the container properties. Okay, let's stay like this for the moment. Let's make it very basic until I get. Okay, let's put 3 buttons, and in this button here, if you go in design, you can change the code and can say JavaScript, or let's copy this and paste it, and let's write here Python, and let's paste it again, and let's see C++. Okay, so this is the wrong answer, and so we will alert. For the moment, let's just use an alert, and no. Let's go in this one and do alert no, just like that. Let me ensure that it's right aligned in the, and this is the right answer. So here we will put on an alert that says yes. Okay, let's run this and see if it works. So if you can see, here is the code of the form 1. I think it's the file. The design is the graphic user interface. The code is what happens when you click the buttons, and so you get button 1, 2, and 3. The number 2 is called copy to, copy click. This should be this is the second, and this is the third one. Okay, let's get back here, and what happens if I click this? It's no. Python it's yes, and C++ it's no. So if you want to publish this, go to publish, and publish this app. This is the name. Change URL. Here you can call it test 1. Test 1. Let's save it and see it's not available. So test Anvil. No, it's the name is to, let's say Anvil. If you don't know, yeah, probably it's not available. and Anvil test, or let's call it my test. No. Okay, my iPhone test, it's gone good. So clicking this, you should see that you get your page, and you can access to this going to my-test.anvil.app. And so if I click this, it's no. If I click this, it's yes. If I click this, it's no. And that's how you can make your app very nicely and fast with Anvil. And if you want, maybe you could copy this and paste this to make another answer, another question. Let's see if it works. So Python is always the right answer. Okay, now it doesn't work here because we probably have to change something in here. For example, let's go into this, and here this is the same, but you get to rewrite the alert no, it's not. Yes. So let's restart. We haven't written the code for this. So here nothing happens. Yes. No, it's not. So you see, you can just copy and paste and just change something like the alert string, and you can make other. Of course, you can go into design here and change the question, make another question. Do you like Anvil? And here you can do no, yes, maybe. And so you get different answers and so on. You can copy and paste and make other questions simply copying and pasting. So that's how you can make some basic functions, basic graphic user interface to make some apps, some tests, and everything you want to do. And you see how it is easy to make it with Anvil. And so we will try to go deeper in other videos in the future, and follow me, subscribe, and see you soon with Python and lately Anvil.